Hello guys, this is Tino and welcome to my channel. So today what we are going to be talking about is how to make some money on Instagram using Meesho app, or you can also use Shop 101, Glow Road, or even Amazon to make some money. So to get started, go to any of the apps. I'm currently using the Meesho app as my product sourcing agent. So this is the Meesho app which I'm using to source my product. Now what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to take all the pictures from the Meesho app of different varieties of clothes. It may be men's or women's clothing. So from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new Instagram page for my business, and I'll start posting those pictures which I had previously downloaded from the Meesho app and start posting and try to grow my followers. This method is really helpful because this kind of business does not require any upfront cost. So that is why this is the best way to make money on Instagram right now. Meanwhile, I'll go into an app called My Store by Kata Book, where I'll make my own store with a brand name and list the products that I have posted on my Instagram brand page and sell it at a higher value than the actual value on the Meesho app and link it to my Instagram bio. This concept is known as dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model wherein you source product from a manufacturer and sell it directly to your customers without you having to handle any kind of shipping and sell it at a higher price, and you keep the difference by putting in only a least amount of work. The key thing of this business model is this doesn't even require you keeping a big warehouse. You do not have to own an inventory or buy all the products upfront to store the products and sell them online. The only thing you do over here is when an order is placed by a customer on your store, you will receive all the information of the customer, and you would have to take that information and put it into the Meesho app and add the price at which you are selling at. Meesho themselves will ship the product to the customer with your logo and the price you marked on your store. So you might be wondering how much money you could earn on this platform. So for example, take a product at a worth of rupees 250 on the Meesho app and you price it at 450 rupees and add the product on your store. You will easily earn a profit of 200 rupees for one product sold. Say you have a following of around 10k to 100k followers, you might be selling 20 products a day, for which you might earn 4,000 rupees every single day, and that makes 1,20,000 every single month, and for a year that is around 14 lakh 40,000 rupees, which is much better than an average salary in India. Trust me guys, this is no scam or make money fast kind of video. This is a legit way to start making money on Instagram using Meesho. In fact, many are already earning a lot of money by doing this business model, and they are not going to reveal it to you because it can be done by anyone with basic internet knowledge. And the people doing this already don't want you to be a competitor for them. That is why nobody is going to reveal this to you. Try this out. You will not make money in one day, but definitely you will take some time to grow your Instagram page. But once your followers are at a crazy high number, believe me, you will be making a good amount of money even if you are a 10-year-old kid with basic internet skill. So after all this explanation, you might ask me, why would someone buy from me when it is easily available on the internet? This is because people are lazy and they love shopping and spend money on it. And when they see a product which is new to them that he likes, he would first think of buying that product instead of searching for a better price at a better place. And that's it for today guys. So hope all of you guys like that video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more quality content on making money on Instagram and as well as making money online. Peace out.